Hi, good day, M6252. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I am Jacqueline Cristobal, 42 years old. I am single. I don't have children. I am college undergraduate of computer engineering. I had experience in Hong Kong for 1 year and 9 months. My main duties are taking care of a kid, 4 years old, and cleaning and cooking and ironing.
Okay, and you have also experience in Saudi, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your experience in Saudi.
I had experience in Saudi Arabia for three years and 5 months. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, and cooking.
Okay. Why suddenly you break the contract on your employer in Hong Kong?
Yes, I break my contract in Hong Kong because my father's died, and that time in last November, my father wants to see me because he's under critical condition.
So, your employer doesn't allow you to go back to the Philippines.
Yes.
That's why you decided to break your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any release paper?
I don't have.
You don't have. Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby? Do you know?
Yes, I have.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby's crying, I will check his temperature, his tummy, and changing his diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will hold her and I will dance and sing. Then if you still didn't stop crying, I will call my employer.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I heard that the Hong Kong government giving a high salary and a nice country also.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong again?
As long as my employer wants me.
Okay. For sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
I can prepare steamed fish, long soup, and any kinds of vegetables, and it's only basic.
Okay, so if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper?
Yes, sir.
How about cutting your hair into short?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Sharing jobs with a helper?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of pets?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. If you hire me, I will determine to work hardworking, trustworthy, loyal.
Okay. Okay, can you promise also to take good care of your children as your own?
Yes, ma'am and sir.
And
I am willing as my kids. As a
Okay.
family.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Jacqueline. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Okay.